fun today and we're going to test your hearing. So I'll get you to sit up nice and straight for me, please. I'm going to have a little look inside your ears. Look, I've got a special torch to look inside your ears. So I'm going to have a quick look in this ear. Do you think you've got potatoes in your ears? No. Is there a dinosaur hiding in this ear? Let's have a look. No dinosaurs in that ear either. Okay, Cooper, what we're going to do first, your ear's going to draw me a picture. It's either going to draw me a mountain or a road. So we're going to pop this headphone on, just like this. And I've got a special little plug I'm going to pop into your ear. I might use a blue colour. Do you like the colour blue? Me too. It's one of my favourite colours. Okay, so we're just going to pop this in your ear and your ear's going to draw me a little picture. So let's go. Here we go. Excellent, and here comes those whistles. Excellent. Good job, Cooper. Well done. We've just got to swap it over and just do the other side. Okay, here we go. Pop that over there like that. Pop it on nice and tight for you. Here we go. Well, that's a bit of a wobbly one. We'll just do that one again. Excellent, a lovely mountain. Good job, Cooper. Okay, here comes some whistles. Sit nice and still. Excellent, good job, Cooper. Well done. All right, we'll pull our headphones off. Okay. Now, Cooper, you and I are going to play some games. Do you like playing games? Okay, we're going to play some listening games. You've got a lovely tall tower, and I'm going to break it down. Okay. All right. Okay, you and I are going to play some games. And what we're going to do is, every time you hear a whistle, we are going to put one of these plugs into the holes. Okay, so sit up nice and straight for me. I'm going to show you what to do. Ready? So I'm listening out for the whistle. There's a whistle. And we're just going to pop one in like that, okay? Let's do one together. We'll have a race. Ready? So listening out for the whistle. Oh, you beat me. You were too quick. All right, let's try again. Ready? Listening out for the whistle. Remember holding it up, listening out for the whistle. Oh, well done. Good listening. Let's pop the headphones on. You can do this all by yourself and see if you can hear the tiny little baby whistles, okay? Okay, ready? We'll pop this from behind your ear like that. Okay, Cooper. Get ready to listen. Here we go. Ready? Got to wait for the whistle. There we go. Ready? Listening out for the whistle. Lucky bird. Ready? Here we go. Oh, well done. Good job, Cooper. Okay, we're going to do something different now. You're going to hear a man and he's going to tell us a word and you have to tell us what the man said, okay? All right, we'll pop the headphones on. Okay. Get ready, Cooper. Here we go. Ready?
4.
Oh, well done.
Shock.
Excellent.
Head.
Excellent. Good work, Cooper. That was excellent listening. Now, I'm going to get some pictures and I want you to point to the picture for me. Cooper, now what we're going to do is you're going to hear a man and he's going to point to a picture. So I'm going to say, point to the house. Where's the house? Good boy. Point to the frog. Well done. Point to the book. Point to the tree. Point to the car. Excellent. We'll put the headphones on and the man's going to tell you which picture to point to. Okay, here we go. We'll pop the headphones on. Put your hair behind your ears. There we go. Pop your hair behind your ears. Okay, get ready to listen. Here we go. Ready? Excellent. Excellent. Good job. Well done. One more. Excellent. Good work, Cooper. Well done. You did an excellent job of listening.